In this second part of ChatGPT 5 Deep Dive series, we are diving deeper into image generation tool, one of the 8 tools described in the system prompt published on social network X. Yeah, what we're doing in this series, we are analyzing what is written there and just trying to make sense of it. So image generation tool is actually a very interesting tool, and it's one of the, let's say, most useful ones, at least for myself. I generate quite a lot of images. And what we can see in this system prompt revealed about image generation tool. So first of all is that it's not a passive tool, it's an active tool, which means that it should be directly called by the LLM. So OpenAI's LLM, ChatGPT 5, decides when to call this tool and when not to call the tool. It even creates the prompts and passes some parameters to this tool. And what is the most important thing to understand here is that it's not, the images are not generated by LLMs themselves. The images are generated by the tool. So LLM provides a prompt request, and the tool generates an image, and in the ChatGPT user interface, you just see the result. Another thing which we can also see from the system prompt is that OpenAI is instructing this tool instructing ChatGPT when it provides you the results of the images generated, not to offer you a download link. Normally you can see it when you, let's say, generate PDFs and other documents, but for images there is no download link. It also defaults to just one image generated, while it can actually generate up to 4 images. And then another thing, it will not summarize you this image, it will not write you anything about it, it will just output an image, and that's the result you see in the ChatGPT user interface. Another interesting thing to note is that the request to this tool is provided in JSON format, and this JSON object has the following fields. It has, of course, the field prompt, where what should be generated is described. Then another element is the number of variations of the image which should be generated, and there can be up to 4 variations, and the default value is 1. Then another thing is that you can indicate whether background should be transparent or not. Since the images are generated in PNG format, there is a possibility to have transparent background, which is great for logos and for some other, especially vectorized graphics. It also has a field for, in order to provide the information about the related images. If you're modifying something, some other image, deleting some objects from the image, then this reference will be provided there. Why it is important to know that this object in JSON format exists? Because you can actually provide to ChatGPT the request not in just text form, but you can create the JSON object yourself, describe all the fields, and ChatGPT will generate you the answer. If you want to know more about how to generate the best possible images, you can actually join our Telegram community or our school community, and there I prepared for you a PDF document with detailed instructions on how to generate the best images possible. I hope you like the video. If so, please subscribe to this channel so that you are notified when the new videos about from this series and not only arrive on the channel. Thank you.